Hello and welcome to Port Orleans Riverside. We are on our way to our room. It's actually pretty cool. We got the notification as we landed that our room was ready. Way earlier than they are supposed to. 3 o'clock is the check-in time. It's currently about 10 a.m. and our room is ready. So we're heading to our room first, but we're excited. We're gonna check it out. Here's our room. We are 1552. Michelle has unlocked the door. This is our first time in the room. We are in the Alligator Bayou building, second floor, in a corner room. Our preference for Port Orleans Riverside. Port Orleans Riverside has these lovely corner rooms that have 2 windows in the corner. You get a lot more natural light in here. And we're gonna do a little bit of a room tour. Let's go. As you can see, we have this nice adjoining door. It's one of the first features of the room that you notice. And that adjoining door has access to the room next door, and if you have some families that are looking to have larger groups to stay together, you can do it through these adjoining doors. Don't always get them, but you can make the request. You have these lovely queen-size beds. You get 2 of them. They're raised up off the floor so you can put luggage into them. We have this lovely section over here to my right, which has the television. There's a coat rack, your fridge with a see-through window, a coffee maker, and an ice bucket. But one of the cool features is this bench. Notice this bench says fragile and has that handle at the top. This is actually a Murphy bed. And inside you find some great Princess and the Frog artwork with Tiana and Naveen sleeping on Lewis in the bayou. And you have this lovely Murphy bed hidden in the wall. And it's really easy to get down and just as easy to put back up. And right above it is a very nice high-def television with currently running Resort TV 1. And over to my right is my lovely wife in our corner room with the desk and tables, that basically the kind of seating area. And back here, you can see some lovely Princess and the Frog artwork. And you also have the bathroom, which has this backlit mirror and the washboard kind of theme to the Alligator Bayou. I love it, and I like the tile work there. And you get this space over here with hangers and your extra blanket and an iron. And this doesn't have a door for the bath for that space, but you do have a blackout curtain that you can pull across. And I believe this has some Princess and the Frog artwork on it, if I remember correctly. Yeah, subtle. There they are. Tiana and Naveen down there at the bottom looking off into the bayou, and you can see Evangeline up in the sky. That's lovely. And the final feature of this room is the bathroom. You can see that it's got that wood paneling in there. It's not really wood, it's probably Pergo or something to that effect. And you have yet another Princess and the Frog curtain. Aww, with Ray, one of my favorite characters in any movie. And he's staring off. Looks like he's staring off at Evangeline. Let me see if I can get that all the way over. Oh, yep, there she is. So Ray is looking off at his love, Evangeline, in the bathroom. They do have on the wall the soon-to-be-leaving H2O products. Just so you all know, Disney just recently announced that the H2O products will be going away because the company has discontinued them. But for now, we're still getting them in the resort hotels with the pump action instead of the individual bottles. But, hi again. These Alligator Bayou rooms were recently renovated. They have lots of plugs and USB ports all over the room. They have this lovely hardwood floor that they put in, or Pergo flooring, whatever it might be. And they also added in these brand new thermostats so you can control the temperature in your room more. These upgrades were well needed in this area, and I'm very glad that we are staying in one of the newly upgraded rooms. Again, here's an example of more plugs and it doing its purpose, charging a phone. And that is our lovely room, and Michelle and I are gonna go and have a lovely day in the parks, leaving from Port Orleans Riverside. Hope you've enjoyed the tour.